Hi, in this tutorial I am going to give a brief introduction on Google Analytics. So when you are logged in on the backend of the website, you should be able to see this section called Google Analytics Reports. This is a custom module that we have installed on this website. So if your website does not have this module, please submit a help desk ticket and we shall install this on your website as well. So this section will give you all the brief details of the Google Analytics of your website. Here you can see the active users on the website, and this is the real-time users. Now if I open the website, and then that should add up to this user, because since it's a real-time user, and when anybody visits the website, the system detects that website, and as you can see, it increased from 1 to 2. And this section is for the page views. So if we just put our mouse in this section, as it says 20 minutes ago there were 2 page views, and for example here 10 minutes ago there was 1 page view. So that's what this is. And right now it's not showing the referrals, but if this is the websites that refers or directs or redirects the users to this website, it looks like it does not have enough data to display, but that's what it is. And this is the active pages, the top ones which are currently active, and this is the home page, and this is a page with ncpmi.org and the site, and slash this is just the URL. And same goes for this social traffic, and say this is the live dashboard. So all this data refer to the live data only. So top referrals, if there are users who are referred by another website and are active on the website because it's a live dashboard, then that's going to show here. So all these sections refer to the live users, the real-time users, and that's why most likely for a site with not that many users, that many active visitors, most of the times there's no data on this section. And this is the locations of the users. So right now I'm in this Roskilde location, and that's why it's showing me as one user, and that user is from Roskilde. So that's for the live dashboard. And then the audience dashboard, here we can select the time range of the data that we would like to see. So let's take a quick view on the 30 days ago data, and as you can see, this is the date, and then here we have the number of sessions, and it gives you like here it gives on March 12 there were 235 sessions, and like this March 14 221 sessions. And then we have these graphs, pie charts with a quick view, like top devices, for example. You click on this, so 15,556 desktop devices were used to view the website, and here 2,125 mobile devices, 605 tablet devices. Then we have based on the users based on the month, and it gives a brief idea. So Jan, Feb, March, and then these are in the future date. So what, as you can see, the last year is this color and this year is this color. And like browsers, so here you can have a good you can have a good idea about what are the browsers that your website users are using. So Google Chrome, it looks like the highest number, then Safari, Edge, Firefox, Internet Explorer, and then the top countries and all this. Statistics, overall, number of sessions, users, page views, bounce rate, organic searches, which is basically the search engines. And then we have this geolocation, traffic sources, referral, direct, and organic search results, and social media, and new versus returning. So these are the new visitor visiting the website for the first time, and then 64% of the visitors are returning visitors. And the top referrals, and this is the single sign-in page, which is obviously the top referral, as it makes sense, because this is the one most used when a user logs in. And then paypal.com, that means when a user registers for an event, and then LinkedIn and all these websites. And you can go through pagination here to view the number of referrals. So that's a quick overview of the audience dashboard. And the pages dashboard, it's a pretty simple one. Like you see here, people entering your website, the URL, and the number of entries, and from which page users exited the website, the links, and number and percentage of exits. And the pages viewed per site visit, like average number of pages. So, and this is here we can have all this data. With the highest bounce rate, the pages like this had the highest number of bounce rates. Like the user exited from, came to this page and exited from here. And then top viewed pages, home page, the most viewed page, and all other pages with the number of page views. And then we have a dashboard for mobile devices. And then, as we can see, a 19.8% of visitors were mobile visitors, and 71% was iPhone mobile used, and iPad 13%, and then Windows and all other things. And then the top pages viewed on the mobile device, the number of users, and same for the iPad and iPhone. And then bounce rate by mobile devices, the percentage of bounce per mobile device. And then social media, I think it won't give much information except for sharing, because this website does not have a lot of social media features. But yeah, as we can see, as expected, it's very low. And it looks like content from the website was posted to Facebook using add to any plugin. And all other details, mobile device info, and it looks like the articles shared on this social media network. So this is a brief overview of Google Analytics. And there could be some instances where you would like to have more information, more than what you see here, because these are the consolidated brief information, very useful, but still not all the information that Google Analytics provides you. So if you want to see the data directly on Google Analytics account, you can submit a help desk ticket and then we'll add you to the Google Analytics account of your website, and then you can log in to Google Analytics website and view all other information right over there. For example, this is the website for pmi-snc.org, and here you can have all other information as well: users, sessions, bounce rate, duration, active users, and all this information. And these are pretty straightforward. The only thing that I have found people not understanding quite easily is this part, user retention. So I will explain this. So here, let's say I want after 7 days. So what this graph means here, so this is March 18, and what it says is, or let's see this one because it has all this data. So for March 21, today is March 25. So for March 21, for the March 21, the number of users, say 15 users came on the website. So that's why it says 100%, because this is the beginning day for this analysis. So 100% users came on 21, and then we have 7% retention, as you can see, and this is for the next day. So this is actually March 22. So on 21, 15 users visited the website, and that's the first day, so 100% retention. And then this next day, the following day, it's March 22, and on 22nd, 7% users were retained. So it shows 7% retention. And then and this is 23rd, again 7% retention, and this is again 24th, and this is again 7% retention, and this is a continuous 7%. That makes sense because only one user was retained and one user is resulting in 7%. So this is how we can analyze this data. Almost I have found that all the users, the first time visitors, found it very difficult to understand this. So this is how it works. And then here on the left side we have lots of other informations, and you can view the data and get a good understanding about all these several things that this provide. And of course, if you have any specific question about any aspect of this, please submit a help desk ticket to us, and we shall be glad to answer your query about this. Thank you.